Hello everyone, hope I am audible and visible. Is audio video clear? So welcome to your favorite channel BYJU'S Exam Prep. I am Deepak Mishra and I am discussing compiler design SDT, syntax directed translation, my dear friend. Hope I am audible. So welcome you all once again. Welcome you all. So yeah, this is my Telegram link, my dear friend. Like where you can get like for daily important questions, fine. And if you have any doubt regarding my class or in any subject, you can ask me here. And for notes also, fine, you will get the notes like what I am teaching right now. I have shared the notes already. Okay, so already we have solved some question based on SDT. We have seen what is SDT. It is nothing but context-free grammar plus semantic rule, my dear friend. And we have seen what is synthesized attribute, what is inherited attribute. We have seen already what is L attribute SDT and what is S attribute SDT. So synthesized attribute, everyone know, if parent value computing in terms of their children, it means it is nothing but synthesized attribute. Inherited attribute means if you are computing children value in terms of their parent or siblings, fine, you can say it is inherited attribute. Now what is S attribute, what is L attribute or S attribute SDT, my dear friend? S attribute SDT, it is what? It is synthesized. And what is L attribute? It is synthesized also and it is inherited also, but the restriction is what? We can only get value from the parent or the left sibling only. Yeah, good evening Preeti. Or from the left sibling only. So can you please tell me what is X and what is Y here? I am starting with a very simple question. I am waiting for a response. Can you please tell me what is X and what is Y? Which of the following is correct? I am asking here. In today's class, definitely you are able to get more thing about SDT. Be with me for 50 minutes or 50 odd minutes. Definitely you are able to solve the problem. What is the answer for this one? I clearly told synthesize means you can compute parent value in terms of their children. Fine, children. Fine, synthesize attribute. Inherited means children value you can compute in terms of their parent or their siblings. Here there is no restriction, either left or right. So see clearly here. I think I'm not getting response till now. See. So see, A goes to C, A value in terms of their children. See, A value in terms C. So X is what? A dot X equal to what? C dot X. So X is what? Inherited attribute. X is what? Sorry, synthesized attribute. Parent value in terms of their children. Parent value in terms of their children. So X is what? Synthesized attribute. Are you getting my point? X is what? Synthesized attribute. Now see, E value in terms of their sibling. Y means Y value in terms of their sibling. Y means it is nothing but inherited attribute. Yes, you are absolutely right. So it is nothing but X is what? Synthesized and Y is what? Inherited. Y is what? Inherited. Are you getting my point? Y is what? Inherited. Okay. Inherited. Is that clear, my dear friend? Please tell me. Is that clear? Fine. And my dear friend, is that clear? Please reply. Okay. I'm moving to next one. Can you please tell me what is the answer for this one? This question, can you please reply? Which of the following statements are true for S attribute definition of SDT? They have given S1, all attributes are inherited, all attributes are synthesized attribute, evaluation of SDT depends on top-down parsing, and evaluation of SDT depends on bottom-up parsing. What is the answer? Can you please tell me? What is the answer? What is the answer? See clearly. So they are talking about S attribute SDT. S attribute definition of SDT, my dear friend. Okay. So all attributes are inherited? No, this is wrong. All attributes are synthesized? Yes, this is correct. This is true. Evaluation of SDT depends on top-down parsing? No, false. Evaluation of SDT depends on the bottom-up parsing. Bottom-up parsing. It is nothing but, my dear friend, true. So what is the answer? Answer is what? B. B for Bombay is the correct answer for this one also. B for Bombay is the correct answer for this one also. Okay, I'm moving now. Now, can you please try this question? Consider the following SDT. They have given some grammar with semantic rule, means SDT they have given, and they are asking here what will be printed when provided input is 3 star 4 star 5 plus 7? Fine. What will be the output? Can you please tell me? What will be the output? Please try this. I am waiting for the response. Please try. I am waiting for the response. Everyone, please try. Okay, I think I'm trying now. See clearly, this is easy question only. Already we have discussed in last class such type of question. So just draw the parse tree according to the input. Fine. First, can you please tell me, my dear friend, what about this one? Which it is S attribute or L attribute SDT? See clearly here. See clearly. It is, see, E value, you are computing E value, you are computing in terms of their children. E dot val minus T dot val. See clearly, E value you are computing in terms of their children. T value you are computing in terms of their children. Fine. It is nothing but, you know, and semantic rule has written in writes in what? In the at the end of the production. Semantic rule has written at the end of the production. It is nothing but S attribute SDT. So if it is S attribute SDT, my dear friend, it is what? It is also L attribute SDT. Everyone know. It is L attribute SDT also. So if something is not given, you can follow L attribute evaluation. So draw the parse tree first. So it is nothing but, see clearly. E goes to what we have? E plus T, E plus T, E plus T, my dear friend. Now what we have? Can you please tell me? E goes to E plus T. Can I take E goes to E plus T? Yes. Fine. Draw the parse tree first. Draw the parse tree first. E goes to E plus T. Then what I want actually, they in input they have given. Input they have given, my dear friend. What they have given in input? Okay. 3 star 4 star 5 plus 7. Fine. 3 star 4 star 5 plus 7. Okay, now E goes to what I can do? E goes to what I have? I have T, and T goes to what I have? T star F, T star F. And once again, what is T goes to? Can you please tell me? T goes to, we have T star F, T star F. And my dear friend, T goes to F, and F goes to ID. F goes to ID. Just draw the parse tree. Fine. F goes to ID. Fine. And T goes to what we have? T goes to F, and F goes to ID. F goes to ID. Okay. So see clearly, can you get 3 here? 3 star 4 star 5 and plus 7. Yes, you'll got. Even though if you want, you can, you just see, you just wrote down the semantic rule here. So this is nothing but first, this is nothing but second semantic rule, this is nothing but third semantic rule, this is nothing but fourth semantic rule, and this is nothing but fifth semantic rule. Fine. Now E goes to E plus T. I am writing here, this is first one. Fine. Now E goes to T. It is nothing but second one. Fine. Second one. Now T goes to T star F. T goes to T star F. It is nothing but third one. Now T goes to T star F. It is nothing but third one. Now my dear friend, what we have? T goes to F, fourth one. Fine. T goes to F, yes, fourth one. F goes to ID, it is fifth one. F goes to ID, it is fifth one. F goes to ID, it is fifth one. And T goes to F, it is nothing but fourth one. Fine. Fourth one, my dear friend. I think, is that clear? Fourth one. I have written all fine. Let me change the color so that it is more clear to you. Okay. Fine. I think you know. So what is happening in C3? Fine. So what is doing? F dot value equal to ID. Just see here. Just F dot value. What is F value here? F value will be 3. Are you getting my point? F value will be 3. See, this is nothing but fifth. Okay, this is fifth also. So what is ID value? So ID will become 3 here. So it is nothing but 3. So it is stored on the root only. F value will become 3. Okay, now what about this one? What is ID value? 4. It is fifth. So here it is nothing but 4. It is 4. So F value is nothing but 4 here. Can you please tell me? See here, what is T goes to F? T value into 2 into F value. It is nothing but, see, this is 3, my dear friend. This is 3. Now what is T value? I think, third one, 3 into 2. Because I have written 3 into 2, 6. So it is nothing but 6. It is nothing but 6. Now what we have? See here, T goes to T star F. It is nothing but third one. Means we need to add 6 plus 4. So here the value will be 10. Here the value will be 10. Are you getting my point? 10. Okay, 67 you are getting. Okay, let me see. 10. Let me check. 10. Now what is this one? What is this one, my dear friend? This one is nothing but ID is 5. So it is nothing but C. It will be 5 here. 5. Now see 10. This is nothing but, this is the third one is nothing but C. 10 plus 5. So it is nothing but 15. So here what we have? 15, my dear friend. Here what we have? Here we have 15. Now what about this one? Can you please tell me? It is nothing but second one. Means 15 plus 1. It is nothing but 16. So here I will store at the root 16. At this internal node 16. Okay, 16 here. Okay, let me check for here. What is 5? 7. What is 5? Just F dot value will equal ID. It is nothing but 7. F value will become 7 here. What about this one? 4. What is 4? 2 into F dot value. It is nothing but 2 into 7. 14. 14. What is the first one? E value minus T value means 16 minus 14. It is nothing but 2. And print what? Print E dot value. Answer will be what? 2. 2 is the answer. How 63 you will get? 2 is the answer for this one. If you don't understood, please let me know. If you don't understood, please let me know. If you don't understood, please let me know. Everyone. I am seeing your message. Please tell me. Please tell me in the chat box. I am waiting for a reply. Please reply whether you are getting or not. Otherwise, I will tell. See, this is very clear. See this one. What is ID value? ID value is 3, my dear friend. ID value is 3. Here, see, 3 star 4 star 5 plus 7, my dear friend. Fine. So 3. See clearly here. What is 5? F dot value become ID dot value. ID value. So F will become 3, and it will store on the F. F value is 3. Now, my dear friend, now F is reducing to T here. See what is happening here? It is nothing but T dot value equal to 2 into F dot value. It is nothing but 6, my dear friend. Now I think F value will become 4. Now see clearly T star F means T dot value plus F dot value. It is nothing but 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, it is clear? Fine. Okay, very good. Can you please tell me what is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? Everyone please reply. Consider the following attributed grammar. E goes to E plus E. That is nothing but E dot X equal to E1 dot X plus E2 dot X. And E goes to E star E, that is nothing but E dot X equal to E1 dot X into E2 dot X. E goes to ID, E dot X equal to ID dot value. The above SDT is, what is the answer? It is L attributed grammar. So E value you are computing in terms of their children. Fine. Parent value you are computing in terms of their children. Here also parent value you are computing in terms of their children, my dear friend. Fine. Here also you are computing parent value in terms of children. Here also you are computing parent value in terms of their children. So it is nothing but, my dear friend, synthesized. So if synthesized, it is S attribute SDT. And if it is S attribute SDT, my dear friend, it is also L attribute SDT. Everyone know. Fine. So answer will be what? The answer is what? C. C for Chennai is the right answer. C for Chennai is the right answer. Both L attribute grammar and S attributed grammar. Both L attributed grammar and S attributed grammar. Because see clearly here parent value in terms of their children. Here also parent value in terms of their children. Are you getting my point? Parent value in terms of their children, parent value in terms of their children. Fine. Here also parent value in terms of their children. And my dear friend, see, it is nothing but synthesize. So it is S attribute SDT, and if it is S attribute, it is what L attribute also. Why? Because see, in L attribute also we have, it is synthesized, and also it can have inherited attribute where we can take value from the parent or left sibling only. So I think you know this one. I am moving now. Okay, what is the answer for this one? For this input BACBA, fine, what will be the answer? Can you please tell me? Using LR parsing. LR parsing, everyone know. LR parsing means, you know, you need to do what? Bottom up parser. Bottom up parser means reverse of rightmost derivation. RRMD we need to do. Fine. So what you can do, either you can do rightmost derivation and just print the reverse. It's up to you. And this is nothing but, what about this one? What you can comment? It is S attribute or L attribute? It is L attribute SDT, because see clearly semantic rule is written in between. It is L attribute. It is L attribute SDT. SDT, not S attribute SDT, not S attribute SDT. Okay. Please try to give the answer. I am waiting for the reply. Everyone. Please try to give the answer. See, it is L attribute SDT, my dear friend, not S attribute SDT. What is the answer for this one? Draw the parse tree for this one. BACBA. So I'm writing here. S goes to what you want actually. What you want? BACBA. So what you take? Can you please tell me? Draw the rightmost derivation. So you can write here BSA. BSA. Okay, BSA. Now what I want? I want now S goes to I want here. So I am writing here ASB. ASB. Fine. Fine. Rightmost derivation. So we have C. This is one. Now what I want? See, S goes to, I will write here C. So BACBA. BACBA. There is nothing but C clear. BA. So I am writing here BACB, and this is nothing but what we have A. Fine. BSA. So S is nothing but I am writing ASB. Fine. Now you are getting. Fine. Is that clear? Now see clearly, it is very simple. You just draw the parse tree. Rightmost derivation I am doing. So B goes to BSA. Fine. And S goes to what? ASB. ASB. Fine. And S goes to what? C. So what you are doing actually, see clearly, B goes to BSA. You are printing what? You are printing B. You are printing B, my dear friend. You are printing B here. Now here what you are printing? You are printing B goes to ASB. You are printing what? Printing A here. Printing A here. Fine. And here what you are printing? Printing, my dear friend, can you please tell me? Here you are printing what? Here you are printing C. C. So according to rightmost derivation, the output is what? BAC. What is reverse of rightmost derivation? CAB. CAB. So CAB is the right answer. B for Bombay is the correct answer for this one. B for Bombay is the correct option for this one. Is that clear? B for Bombay. Just do rightmost derivation, fine, and just reverse it. Or you can see if you want what. If you want, you can see clearly. This is reduction. First reduction. So first reduction means print C. This is nothing but second reduction. Fine. Second reduction. This is nothing but, my dear friend, printing what? A. Printing A. And this is nothing but third reduction. Printing B. So CAB you will print. Fine. It's up to you. Fine. Either you can do rightmost derivation and just print reverse. Okay. I'm moving now. Now what about this one? Consider the following SDT. S goes to $B and S value become A dot value into B dot value, and A value become A and A dot value equal to A dot val plus 1, and B goes to B and B dot val equal to B dot val plus 2. What will be the output of the following expression? Can you please tell me what about this SDT? It is L attribute or S attribute? It is L attribute SDT or S attribute SDT, my dear friend. So see clearly, S value in terms of their children, A value in terms of their children. It is nothing but S attribute SDT, you can say. And the semantic rule has been written in the right hand side, in the, you can say, end of the production in right hand side. So it is nothing but S attribute SDT, and it is also what, if it is S attribute SDT, it is also what, L attribute SDT. Can you please tell me? It is also what, L attribute SDT. Fine, L attribute SDT. Now you can solve this question. In question they have not given anything. You can apply what, L attribute evaluation. You can apply what, L attribute evaluation. L attribute means, L attribute evaluation means scan left, depth and scan left to right. See clearly here. So either if you can write it is first one, it is second one, it is third one. The production. Just follow the semantic rule. Follow the semantic rule. What we need to do, my dear friend? See clearly here. So S goes to what we have, A dollar B. See, this is dollar actually. This is dollar sign. Dollar. A dollar B. Okay, A dollar B. A dollar B. Fine. This is nothing but what I want actually. A goes to A and B goes to B. B goes to B. Fine. Now I am just using some other color. See clearly. So S goes to AB. See, this is nothing but your first semantic rule. This is nothing but your second semantic rule, and this is nothing but your third semantic rule. Third semantic rule. Fine. So first, second, third. This is semantic rule. So what we need to do, my dear friend? See, just follow the semantic rule order. Semantic rule order, my dear friend, we need to follow. Depth left and scan left to right. Depth left, scan left to right. Okay. So first, second, then third, then first. Second, third, then first. So it is nothing but, see here. It is nothing but A value. What is A value? This is 7 and this is 9. 7 and 9. So this is A value become A value plus 1. A value plus 1. It is nothing but 8. This value will become 8. A value will become 8. Okay. What about the third one? See, B value. B value is what? 9, and this one become B plus 2. It is nothing but 11. 11. What is the first one? Multiplication. So 11 into 8 is nothing but 88. So in the output it will print 88. So 88 is the right answer for this one. So for this one, what is the answer? 88. So the output of the following expression is nothing but 88. 88 is the right answer for this one. 88. Yeah, little bit fine now. Not very much fine. Yeah, but little bit. I think I'm getting your chat very late today. Something. Okay, I think this question is clear. Something is lagging, or is that okay? Okay. What will be the output of the following expression? Can you please tell me what will be the output of the following expression? This is very good question. You can please try. See, S goes to S1 S2. Here S dot x equal to S1x plus S2 S2x. And S goes to opening bracket S1 closing bracket. Okay, you joined late. S goes to opening bracket S1 closing bracket, and S dot x equal to 1 plus S1x, and S goes to null, S dot x equal to 0. What will be the output of the following expression if input is this one? If input is this one, can you please try? So what about the comment? It is S attribute or L attribute? I think it is both. Because S value you are computing in terms of their children, parent value in terms of their children. So it is S attribute SDT, you can see. It is S attribute SDT. If it is S attribute, it is also L attribute SDT. So what you do, you just follow which evaluation technique? You just follow, my dear friend, you just follow S attribute, L attribute evaluation. So let me try here. This is nothing but first. You can write this is nothing but second. This is nothing but third. So according to the input, my dear friend, you should draw the parse tree. So it is nothing but S goes to what I will take. Can you please tell me? S goes to, let me take S1 and S2. And S goes to what I take. I am taking S goes to opening bracket S1, and S goes to, I will take here S1 S2. Only for the differentiation purpose you can write here. This is nothing but S2. If you want, you can write S2. And this is nothing but S goes to null, and this goes to null. Okay, this is the parse tree. If you want, I can change the color. Okay, so it is nothing but you can write this is first one, fine, and this is nothing but, yeah, this is nothing but second one, and this is nothing but third second one, and this goes to null means this is nothing but third one, and this is nothing but third one. Okay, fine. Now see clearly here, So it's deft left and scan left to right, deft left and scan left to right, deft left, scan left to right. So my dear friend, what is the output? What is the output? So first third one means here S1 value becomes 0. I think you know S1 value becomes 0. This is 0. Okay. What about this one? Second one. Second one is nothing but, see, just deft left, scan left to right. Okay. Are you getting my point? Third, second, first. This is the my dear friend order. Okay. So second one is nothing but 1 plus S1x. What is S1x? 0. So 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So it will store 1 here. Fine, 1 here. 1. Now, what about this one? What about null? It is nothing but 0. This is nothing but 0, my dear friend. This is nothing but 0. 0. 0. Okay. This is nothing but 0. Now, what about this one? Second one means 1 plus 0. It is nothing but 1. It is nothing but 1. Okay, 1. Because 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Now, my dear friend, can you please tell me? What about this one? First one, s dot x equal to s1x plus s2x. It is nothing but 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So what it is counting basically? It is counting, see, balance parenthesis. Here I have taken 2 balance parentheses. So that's why they have given 2. Are you getting my point? That's why they have given 2. Is that clear? Please reply. That's why it is giving 2. That's why it is given 2. Okay. I think I'm not getting any message from your side. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, can you please try this one? What is the functionality of above SDT? What is the functionality of above SDT? I'm waiting for the reply. What is the functionality of above SDT? See, we have many questions. Fine, if you want, we can solve one more hour, but yes, please try to give the answer. If class is interactive, then I can only move forward. What is the answer? It is counting members of operators, or counting members of operand, or length of the input, or none. Not members, counting numbers of operator. Numbers of operator, not number. Member, I think it is incorrect. It is misprinting. Counting numbers of operand. Number of operand. Length of the input, or none. See clearly what semantic rule it has been written. See clearly. Semantic rule, what they have written. Only for looking the semantic rule also you are able to give the answer. Looking the semantic rule, you can give the answer. You can give the answer. Try for ID plus ID. Input string is not given, but you can try for ID plus ID, then ID plus ID plus ID. Because they can generate ID plus ID. So you can try for ID plus ID at least. See the output what it is given. Try for ID plus ID plus ID. See the output what is given. Okay, someone telling B, counting number of operand. Someone telling C, length of the input. Okay. Satya saying C, length. Okay, fine. See clearly here. See clearly. So this is nothing but first semantic rule. This is nothing but second semantic rule. Fine. Okay. Now my dear friend, you can perform L attribute evaluation here. No problem. See clearly what, see, if you take ID plus ID, my dear friend, what is the parse tree? I think it is visible here. Okay. So ID plus ID, let me take here. So E goes to E1 plus E2. E1 plus E2. Now E goes to ID and E goes to ID. Fine, E goes to ID. Is that clear? Now let me change the color for you so that you can see the semantic rule. So here it is nothing but first one, and here it is nothing but second one, and this is second one. So what it is doing, see clearly, E dot X, so this value becomes 0. This value becomes 0. What about this value? This value becomes 1. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So my dear friend, if you see clearly, we have only one operator here. So it is nothing but it is counting number of operator. It is nothing but it is counting number of operator. number of operator, my dear friend. It is nothing but number of operator. Number of operators. So answer will be number of operators, my dear friend. Here we have only one operator. That's why it is giving 1. If you take this one, e goes to e plus e. Let's see here. E and e goes to, let me take e plus e. E goes to e plus e. Fine. Now e goes to, let's suppose id plus id plus id plus id. id. Fine. Let me change the color. Okay. Now see id. This is nothing but 0. You will get 0 here. You will get 0 here. Fine. Now what you will get? E plus e. See e plus e. What you will get, my dear friend? E plus e means you will get here 0 plus 0 plus 1. You will get 1 here. You will get 1 here. So here you will get 0. Here also you will get 0. What you will get here? 1 here. Now what you will get? 1 plus 1. 1. What you will get, my dear friend? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Because see here this is 1 plus 1. It is here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is nothing but 3. You will get. Fine. So id plus id plus id. See clearly we have 3. We have 3 plus here. Are you getting my point? So answer will be what? Counting number of operator. If you see clearly, here we don't have any operator. So e dot x is 0. Here we have one operator. See clearly I have added 1 here. So answer will be counting number of operator. Is that clear? Please reply. Counting number of operator. It will give counting number of operator, my dear friend. Okay. Okay. Now you can please say. What about this one? What about this one? E goes to e1 plus e2. E dot x equal to e1 dot x plus e2 dot x. E goes to id and e dot x equal to 1. What is the functionality of above SDT? Now I have written e dot x equal to 1 here. In the previous question, I have written e dot x equal to 0 here. And here I have not added 1. E dot x equal to e1 dot x plus e2 dot x. What is the functionality of above SDT? It is counting number. It is number only. Number of operator, number of operand, length of the input or none. Same option I have given. I think now you can say. So you can try for the same thing. id plus id. So e goes to e plus e. And e goes to id and e goes to id. Okay. Now see clearly it is id plus id. Let's suppose. See. So id1 plus id2. id1 id2. It is nothing but, see clearly. So id1. It is nothing but 1. 1. It is nothing but, my dear friend, 1. 1. Now what we have? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now we will get 2 here. So id plus id. It is nothing but, it is counting number of operand. We have 2 operand here. So that's why it will give 2. So it is nothing but counting number of operand, not length of the input. Not length of the input. See, if you want, you can take this. E goes to e plus e. Fine. Let me write. E goes to e plus e. Fine. E goes to e plus e. And e goes to id. Now if you see clearly, what you will get here? E value is 1. Let me change the color for you. E goes to 1. So this is 1. This is also 1. So 1 plus 1, it is nothing but C, because E1x plus E2x. So it is nothing but, you will get here 2. Here also you will get 1 1. Here what you will get? Sorry. What you will 1 1 1. What you will get? 1 1 2. And 2 plus 2. What you will get? 4 here. So how many operand we have? 1 2 3 4 operand we have. So it will give number of operand. Number of operand. Is that clear? Number of operand. See clearly. See, e goes to id means they are counting e dot count equal to 1 or e dot x equal to 1. Fine. And they are counting left operand plus right one. E1 dot x plus E2 dot x. So it is counting what? Number of operands. Number of operand. Is that clear? And you know this is L attribute SDT, because it is S attribute SDT, it is also S attribute L attribute SDT. Fine. If you have problem, you can ask. If anyone have problem. Okay. If I am moving to next question, can you please tell me what is the answer for this one? Now this time also I have, this one is I am counting as 1, e dot x equal to 1 or e dot count equal to 1, and here also I have added 1. Now I think now you can guess the answer. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Now you can easily get what is the correct answer. Now it will give length of the input. Now it will give length of the input. Fine. Now third is right. C is right. See clearly here. E goes to what we have? E1 plus E2. And what we have? Now E goes to, let's suppose we have ID and ID. So ID plus ID. So see clearly it is nothing but E1 is nothing but 1 here. E2 is nothing but 1 here. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now what I will get here? I will get 3 here. So in ID plus ID, it is nothing but see length 1, 2, 3. So 3 I will get. 3 I will get. 3 I will get. Fine. Now, if you see this one, the previous one, like ID plus ID plus ID plus ID. So E goes to E1 plus E2. E goes to ID plus ID. Let me write E plus E. E plus E. E goes to E plus E, and this is nothing but ID, this is nothing but ID, this is nothing but ID, and this is nothing but ID. So can you please tell me? So this is 1. Let me change the color. See, basic question, if you know, like, see, based on that one only they will ask. So this is nothing but 1. Fine, I'm writing here 1. This is nothing but 1. This is nothing but 1, 1. Okay. Fine. So 1, 1. It is nothing but 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. And 2 plus 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 you will get here. Fine, I think you are getting my point. 1 plus 1 and plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Here you will get what? 3 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So see clearly, the input is nothing but ID plus ID plus ID plus ID. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine, length of the input you will get. Length of the input you will get. Okay, please reply. Length of the input you will get. Okay, if you want I will give some more question. Okay, see, let me give some question like this. I'm writing here already. It is your favorite grammar. E goes to, let me write here, E plus T. I'm printing here printf plus, let's suppose E goes to ID. I am printing here printf ID. Okay, and let's suppose it is nothing but T goes to T star F, and this is nothing but printf star. Fine, and let me take F goes to T goes to ID. This is nothing but printf ID. And what F goes to what we have ID, printf ID. Can you please tell me? Okay, can you please tell me what is the answer for this one? For input, let me take the input. Input is nothing but, let me take anything 2 plus 3 star 4. Fine. I think we have done such kind of question we have done, but yeah, you can please tell me. I just want to I think it is already in my Telegram group. I have shared one full CD notes. Satya, I have already shared one full class notes in my group. In my group already I have shared. उसके अंदर like there are so many questions, more than this I think. So many questions more than this on SDT. If you see, we have a binary to decimal conversion. Fine. We have fractional binary to decimal conversion. We have SDT for intermediate code representation, SDT for abstract syntax tree representation. All are there. So many examples. Here we have solving some question only. But in the PDF notes, if you see, we have so many examples. We have so many. Full CD. In full CD, if you go to the SDT chapter, it was there. Fine. If you are, and everything is there, and if you have any doubt regarding anything, fine, you can ask me in my Telegram group. I will try to help you. What is the output for this one? Can you please tell me? And what they will do, maybe they will printf plus, they will write in the left hand side sometime also. So what is the output? You can try with the help of everything: L attribute, L attribute, top down parser, bottom up parser, reverse of leftmost derivation. You can try with everything. Can you please reply what is the answer? Okay. Fine. You please try this one. So it is nothing but E goes to E plus T, and see clearly T goes to T star F, and E goes to what we have. Directly I can write ID here, E goes to ID, and T goes to what I can write here, ID, because ID they have directly given here in this question, and F goes to what I have ID. But nothing but 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So this is nothing but, see, this is nothing but printf plus. Printf plus you can write directly, you can write if you want. Printf plus. This is nothing but, here what you can write here, printf ID means 2. Printf ID. You can write here printf ID. Printf ID. Here you can write printf ID. Here also you can write printf ID. And here you can write printf star. So what will be the output? What will be the output? Output will be, see clearly. So go left, scan left to right. Printf ID means 2 will be printed. 2 will be printed. Now after 2 what will be printed, my dear friend? 3 will be printed. 3 will be printed. After 3 what will be printed? 4 will be printed. 4. Then what? The star will be printed, then plus will be printed. Fine. We have done this already. 2, 3, 4 star plus. Fine. What my question is, see, you can try with the help of, see, I have done L attribute evaluation. I just L attribute. If you want, you can try for, if you try for top down parser, you can try for bottom up parser, you can try left of top down parser, fine. Okay, input have given 2 plus 3 star 4, 2, 3, 4 star plus. Okay, what is happening if I will write same thing but like this? See clearly here. Let me write this here. E goes to, see, printf plus E plus T. Fine. Maybe in exam they will write like this also, and they will write E goes to, let me write here, this is nothing but ID, and this is nothing but printf ID. ID I can write anywhere, fine, no problem. See, now T goes to T star F, and what we have, let me write here, not T star F. You can write like this. This is nothing but, you can write printf star, fine. And what we have, my dear friend, let me write T star F, and T goes to ID, so I'm writing here printf ID, and F goes to what? F goes to what? ID I can write, okay. And it is also what? Printf ID. So for the same input, 2 plus 3 star 4, what is the output? What is the output? Let me change the color so that it will be more visible. What is the output? Now see clearly what is the output. Now draw the past tree. See, E goes to what? Printf plus, like this only. Printf plus what we have? E plus T. Okay. Now E goes to what we have? E goes to ID. Fine. If you want, you can write here or here. Fine. It's up to you. Fine. Output will be same only. Fine. Let me write here. It is nothing but printf ID here. Printf ID. Okay. No problem. What is this one? T goes to T star F. This is nothing but, here we need to print a star here. Okay. I don't have a space here. Let me remove this. Just I want to say one point here, that's why I have taken this example. E goes to id, and here I am writing a printf id. Either you can just do numbering, whatever, and t goes to what? Printf star, and we have t star f, and what we have, t goes to id, and what? Printf id, and f goes to what? id and printf id. Okay, printf id. Okay, so what will be the output? Can you please say what is the output here? So scan left and scan left to right. So this is nothing but, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. See, 2 plus 3 star 4 only. So if you scan, what is the first? Printf plus. So plus in the output, plus. Then it will print what? 2. Fine, it will print what? 2. Even though if I will write left hand side, answer will be same. Fine. Now printf 2. What about this one? Now printf what? Star. Printf what? Star. So star. What about this one? Printf id. And what about this one? 4. So plus 2 star 3 4. Plus 2 star 3 4. Are you getting my point? Plus 2 star 3 4. Is that clear, my dear friend? Plus 2 star 3 4. So what we have done here? Here we have done, my dear friend, L attribute evaluation. So because in L attribute evaluation we follow semantic rule order. That's why we are getting different answer. Here we are getting 2 3 4 star plus, and here we are getting plus 2 star 3 4. Plus 2 star 3 4. Why? Because we are following semantic rule order. Are you getting my point? Semantic rule order. But what happen if I will try to parse with top down parser? See clearly here, I want to draw this one. So it is nothing but e goes to what I will do? E plus t. Now e plus t. What I will do? E goes to what? id. This one leftmost derivation means e goes to id plus t. Means id means 2 plus t. 2 plus t, not 2 plus ti, my dear friend. 2 plus t. Direct I am writing here e goes to 2. Fine, no problem. Now t goes to what? We have t star f. Now leftmost. So t is what? id. It is nothing but 2 plus 3. Fine, star f. Now it is nothing but 4. So we have 2 plus 3 star 4. Are you getting my point? So see clearly what we are following. We are following non-terminal order here. So e goes to e plus t. What is the output here? E goes to e plus. What we are doing first? Can you please tell me? We are printing plus. So plus in the output. What about this one? E goes to id. So printing 2, my dear friend. Okay. Now printing 2 here. Now what I am doing here? T goes to 3. T goes to t star f. T star f means printing star. Now t goes to 3 means printing 3 and printing 4. You are getting with top down parser, you are getting plus 2 star 3 4. Same question I am doing with the help of top down parser. See clearly, top down parser. So e goes to what I am doing here? E plus t. Now e goes to what I am doing? I will do what? I think 2 plus t. What is t here? T here it is nothing but my dear friend, t here t star f. Now 2 plus t star f, it is nothing but 3, 2 plus 3 star f, it is nothing but 4. So 2 plus 3 star 4. So here also you will get the same answer. That's why I have taken this example. See, even though it is nothing but this one is only L attribute SDT. The previous one what you have seen, it is what? S also an L attribute SDT. So see, if we perform L attribute evaluation here, you are getting different answers. See, 2 3 4 star plus for this one. And for this one you are getting plus 2 star 3 4. But the output for top down parser will be same. See, plus 2 star 3 4. Here also, because see, first one you are doing e goes to e plus t. It is nothing but printing plus, printf plus. What about this one? Then you are doing e goes to 2 means printing 2. Then t goes to t star f means printing star. Then printing 3, then 4. So the output will be same. See, this grammar is, if this grammar is nothing but L attribute SDT. Fine, semantic rule I have written in the my dear friend right hand side leftmost place. But if you follow top down parser or bottom up parser, fine, or left of top down parser, you will get the same answer. Fine, you will get the same answer. Are you getting my point? See, why you are getting different answer in L attribute evaluation? Because we follow the semantic rule. We follow the semantic rule only. That's why I have taken this example. Please say if you have a small doubt also. If anyone have a small doubt, please say. If anyone have a small doubt, you can please ask to me. I will try to clarify your doubt here. Now I think you know how to solve this question with the help of a bottom-up parser, or you can say rightmost derivation or reverse of rightmost derivation. You are able to solve. See, I have so many questions on SDT. Fine. When exam is nearby, fine. Or you can, if you are eager, see, please let me know if you are eager for any subject or any question, such kind of question you want to solve. Fine, please let me know. I will take the session, but you should be there in the class. Class should be interactive. I cannot take class alone. Fine. Are you getting my point? If you are interactive, please ping me in the Telegram group or here, sir, I want session on that particular topic. I want to solve that particular question. And one more thing, from next month, from October, I am starting some concept based, some concept like synchronization concept I will start in OS, because many people find difficulty in synchronization. So I will take one problem on one day I will discuss producer consumer problem only. I will do the analysis, I will write the code, I will do the analysis, and I will try to solve the problem which is based on producer consumer problem. One day I will take might be reader writer problem. One day I will take semaphore. One day I will take semaphore. One day I will take all solutions like software solution, hardware solution, and like operating system solution. Fine. So one day, but please try to circulate this one. If you people come in good numbers, it's if people come in good numbers, my dear friend, like teacher, for the teacher that is the only motivation. Fine. If you come in the class, in the live class, that is important. Fine. So that we can discuss more question. Fine. We'll discuss the concept, then question. Fine. And it will be not on daily basis. Maybe in a week I will take 3 class or 2 class on YouTube. Fine. Next month I will take like not daily class I will take. Fine. I will take some 2-hour class. Like in a week I will take 3 class or 2 class, like that. But you should be there. You should be like active in the Telegram group. Okay. Do you have any question? Please let me know. Do you have any question? If you have any question, please ask me. Do you have any question? Anyone have any question? And on app, if you are ready, my dear friend, on app, I will take to get PSU job, Satya. To get PSU job, for a computer science student, like for general category, your rank should be under 100, or till 170 they will call. Fine. If you have any question, you can post in the chat box. Yeah. So for PSU, my dear friend, sometime they will recruit from the gate, sometime direct also. Fine. They will take their exam, and based on that, they will conduct they will shortlisted you, and they will conduct the interview. Fine. Do you have any question, or if you want more question, please let me know. Fine. I think you're not asking more question. Fine. So yeah, this is the test. I see why I am sir, क्यों ये screen दिखाते हो आप? Only for the motivation purpose, my dear friend. Only for the motivation purpose, so that you can at least motivated and join a test series. That is very, very important. Please join the test series. Okay, and try to solve now. If you have finished the subject, try to start subject-wise test series. Fine. and in January you can go for the full length test series. That is important. Okay, and Rakesh Talija sir, I think fine, everyone know, fine, you can take 7 prime qualities to be a topper in a GATE 2024. Fine, it will be live on 4th of October 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Please join this, and you can also get 90% scholarship. 90% scholarship. The 90% up to 90% discount if you want to give the exam. Okay, and this Vision Crash course already has been started. If you want, you can enroll as soon as possible. This is my Telegram link. And my dear friend, please like and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon for the latest notification. Shall I leave now, or you have any question? If you don't have any question, I am leaving now. So we'll meet you tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll discuss some code. We'll discuss code optimization part. Fine. We'll discuss some code optimization part in tomorrow class. So tomorrow class will be a kind of test for you also. You only reply. I will ask the question. I will ask some SDT question also. I will not give the answer. I will give the answer in my Telegram group. You should be there for 15 minutes. I will ask some question based on SDT. Might be I will ask. Be prepared. Okay. So soon you will get notification of my class. So thank you so much. Shall I leave now? Okay. So take care and good night. और बहुत तगड़े से प्रिपरेशन करनी है एकदम दम लगा के. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.